Hello guys, so welcome back to Study Treat once again. Guys, today we are going to study on exercise 7, present continuous and past continuous. Present continuous and past continuous. Okay, if you have book, just open on exercise 7. Guys, monsoon has started, as you all know. Okay, so before starting the lesson, guys, come, let's do our routine, daily routine. To please press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel. Guys, I request you once again to please watch the full video. It is no need to skip the video and watch. Okay? And after completing the video, I would like to request you all to please go to the comment box and mention your name. It is mandatory to mention your name. However you mention your name and your attendance automatically will be done here. Okay? And please download the PDF. Guys, on exercise 7, present continuous and past continuous, a passage has been given there. A passage has been given there. According to the monsoon, we all know that monsoon has started, and give your time, previous time to your study. Okay, so I have written this passage here, so you may enjoy a lot. Okay, so come, let's go through this. But keep on mind that what we are studying today, we are studying about the present continuous and past continuous. Well guys, come, let's go through the passage. It is rainy weekend. It is rainy weekend. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. So we cannot go out. Okay. We are spending the whole day home. Just like us all. Okay. My cousin are visiting us. That's some good news. 4 of us are playing a computer game. Grandpa is making some spicy and mom is getting the pakoras ready. Well, you like pakoras, huh? Ready. Dad is helping in the kitchen. I hope that your dad even helps at home. We are listening to the music on the radio. Well, we have TV these days. Okay. So, we are listening to the music on the radio. We are waiting for the snack and soup. Not a bad day after all. Okay, this is according to this weather. Well guys, so we are going to study today what we are going to study. We are going to study that where the present continuous and the past continuous we use. Okay, so it is very important exercise guys. So I will try my level best to take you all in a very simple way. But you have not to skip the video and watch. It is no need to skip the video. Okay, please don't do that guys. Come back once again to this passage. Okay, where is the present continuous used? In our previous class we had studied about the present tense, past tense and the future tense. How many tenses are there? There are 3 tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, so in present tense, present continuous tense, what do we use? Is or am, subject plus is or am plus verb 4. The form of the verbs is 4. Then comes the object or the complement. Okay, and for the past continuous, subject plus was oblique where plus verb 4 plus object or say loudly, complement. Okay, now guys, come back once again. Let us check that where has been present use used in this passage. Okay, it is rainy weekend. It is raining. It is raining. See here, is plus ing form is here. So this is my present continuous. Okay, heavily. So we cannot go out. We are spending. See here, are spending. Okay, are spending is here the whole day home. My cousins are visiting us. See here, are visiting. Are visiting is my present continuous here. That's some good news. 4 of us are playing. See here, are playing. Okay, are playing a computer game. Grandpa is making. See, is making. Okay, is making some spicy, and mom is getting. And mom is getting the pakoras ready. Yeah, is getting. Is plus verb 4 is here form. The pakoras ready. Dad is helping. Is helping is my present continuous form. Is helping in the kitchen. We are listening. Are listening. Are listening is my present continuous here to the music on the radio. We are waiting. See here, are plus verb 4 form is here. Okay, for the snack and soup. Not a bad day after all. Always remember guys that for present continuous tense the structure subject plus is oblique, are oblique, am plus verb 4 plus object you can say, or you can say the complement. Okay, this is your structure for the present continuous tense. Well guys, come let us discuss about this exercise. Okay, if you have book, just open on exercise 7. If you don't have book, just concentrate and try to understand my language. I will teach you and I will take you in a very simple way guys. I promise you that you will enjoy this exercise a lot. Come, let's get started. Well guys, now note I have mentioned it here. Whenever, whatever I write on the board, it is mandatory guys to note it down, write up in the copy. If possible, just mention the date over here, write up here, okay, in your copy. Okay, now when a verb, we are talking about the present continuous tense. Okay, when a verb describes an action, when a verb describes an action that is continuing for some time, okay, it is said to be in the continuous form. Continuous. Okay, it is also called the progressive form, or as it describes an action that is in progress, that work is still being happening. Okay, for now the present continuous is used where the present continuous tense is used. Okay, the point has been given here. Just mention the points, just mention the notes in your copy. Okay, in a good writing. To talk about an action which is happening at the, just now I had made you understand. To talk about an action which is happening at the moment of speaking. For example, it is snowing outside now. That means it is still snowing. My sister is watching TV. That means my sister is still watching TV. Okay, I am teaching. That means I am teaching here. You are watching my video. That means you are watching my video at present. The work of watching is still being done by you. Okay? Now once again I am repeating, the present continuous is used. Just mention this in your copy. Okay? The present continuous is used, first point, to talk about an action which is happening at the moment of speaking. Example I have mentioned here, 2 examples I have given you here. It is snowing outside now. Second is my sister is watching TV. My sister is watching TV. Okay, come to the next. Well guys, now the next one. Come to the next. To talk about a fixed plan. To talk about a fixed plan in the near future. Okay, example I have given you. Once again go through the second point guys. Okay, to talk about a fixed plan in the near future. The first 2 examples I have given you here. Karthik is bowling in the next match. Sorry. Okay, Karthik is bowling in the next match. That means it is the future planning. Okay, my father is going to Hyderabad tomorrow. That means tomorrow. That means this is the future planning. So this is the reason the second point has been mentioned here, to talk about a fixed plan in the near future. Okay, now come, let us go through some examples here of present continuous tense. Okay, few examples I have given you. If you have book, guys, just open on page number 48. If you have book, guys, open on page number 48. If you don't have books, no problem at all. Okay, Bloomfield International School is always standing beside you with your studies. Okay, just download the PDF. All the pages has been scanned for you guys. Okay, just download the PDF, no problem at all. If you have books or don't have books, no problem at all. Okay, now go to the page number 48. Okay, page number 48 has been given. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. What is the question? Present continuous. And I told you what is the structure of present continuous. Subject plus is or am plus verb 4, that means ing form. Okay, subject plus is or am plus verb 4 plus object or complement. Okay, come back here. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, my sister does a marathon. Run is mentioned here. My sister does is marathon. And the option has been given here, run. My sister is running. My sister is running a marathon. Well guys, any doubt? If you are facing any problem, just go to the comment box. Okay, if any subject, guys, for any subject I am talking about, I am not talking about only for the grammar portion, but for all the questions, for all the subjects I am talking about, just go to the comment box, drop some message. Okay, we regularly check your comments. Okay, and we try our level best to solve your problems. Okay, now come back here. Go to the question number 2. C dash for Nepal. C dash for Nepal next week. Leave is written here. Okay, C dash for Nepal next week. Leave is written here. C is leaving. C is leaving. L-E-A-V-I-G. C is leaving for Nepal next week. Okay, go to the next question. This girl's dash for a picnic next week. Option is written here, go. So what will you use? Yes, can anyone guess? Can anyone? The question is here. These girls dash for a picnic next week. Go is written here. What are you going to write here? Yes, very good. Is going. Very, very good. You should try by your own self, guys. Okay, G-O-I-N-G. Try by your own self. Okay, we will show you the path. Now it's on you that you have to walk on the path, right path or no. Okay. Now come on, go to the last question. I dash to my uncle after receiving his gift. I dash to my uncle after receiving his gift. Write is written here. So what are you going to write here? I dash to my uncle after receiving his gift. Write is mentioned here. So I am writing. I am writing to my uncle after receiving his gift. Just check your answer once again. My sister is running a marathon. Very good. She is leaving for Nepal next week. Yes. These girls is going for a picnic next week. Very good. I am writing to my uncle after receiving his gift. That means the present continuous tense you have completed. Okay. You must be knowing, and I have taught you in the previous video even and previous class even, where to use is or am. How many subjects are there? Suppose guys, okay, after this I will show you that where you have to use is or am. Okay, for which subject you have to use is or am. Okay, but guys, do not skip the video. Now come to the next. Well guys, now come, let's have a discussion about the past continuous. Okay, past continuous, even the past continuous is very easy. We use verb to form or was where with verb 4, then comes complement or object. Okay, for example here, for action which were going on at a particular time. Okay, for action which were going on at a particular time in the past. Okay, for example, I was singing. See here, I was singing. Okay, second is my mother was washing her hair. My mother was washing her hair. Now she must be cooking or she must be doing some other work. But when I saw my mother, she was just washing her hair. In the first option also, I was singing, but I was singing. But at present, what I am doing? I am just teaching. I was doing the action. The action was being done by me. I have already completed singing. Now I am come to the next step. I am teaching, or I am studying, I am watching TV, I am watching my video. Okay. Now, see, second point. When action 1 began, when action 1 began and was going on before action 2 in the past. Once again, when action 1, whenever you will go through this, what is action 1, what is action 2, you will get it in the example here. When action 1 began and was going on before action 2 in the past. Example, I was singing. This is action 1. I was singing. Okay, when it began to rain. When it began to rain. See here. I was singing. See here, I am cutting it like this. I was singing when it began to rain. When it began to rain. This is action 2. Okay. Now, next example. They were making dinner. They were making dinner when the guest arrived. Okay. They were making dinner. This is action 1 here. Action 2. When the guest arrived. When the guest arrived. This is action 2 here. Okay. Next is here third example. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. Okay. So action 1. Where is the action 1? I was reading. Okay. I was reading is my action 1. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. What rang? The telephone rang. This is action 2 here. Any doubt, guys? If you understood, come. Let's go through some example. So more nicely, more quickly, you will understand it properly. Few more examples maybe for you. I was helping. I was teaching. I was studying. They were studying. Okay. I am watching. I was watching. I was watching my video. I was studying last night. Okay. Guys, always remember where to use was and where. Okay. For example, I was. Okay. He was. She was. Okay. It was. And for any name, singular person. For example, Govind was playing. Sita was playing. And for you, remember that. You. Okay. First is you, we, and they. We use, this is other person, for you, for in a simple language I am telling you, for you and for we and for they. We use where, W-E-R, where. You were playing, okay, we were playing, they were playing, we were watching video, you were watching video, they were watching video, okay. So, present continuous and past continuous you have been completed. Okay. Any doubt? Just go to the comment box, drop some message, and after watching full video, I request you all to please mention your name. Please mention your name. It is mandatory to mention your name so that automatically your attendance will be done up here. Least but not last, I would like to request you all to please download all the videos of all the subjects, not only for Hindi, not only for English, but all the subjects, because we are laboring a lot, guys, for you all. I promise you that. So take the benefit, okay, of all the subjects and try to make the fair copy. When the school reopens, the fair copies will be asked from you all. So get ready. Summer vacation. Think that this is summer vacation. You are spending summer vacation and think that summer vacation work. This is the summer vacation. Carry on studying. Monsoon has started, guys. It is rainy days. Rainy season has started. So I request you to please just sit down at home. Don't go out if no need, and just carry on watching the school videos of Bloomfield International School. All the members of Bloomfield International School is standing beside you with your studies. Okay guys, hope you liked this video. Once again, subscribe the channel over here, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day.